Here at UA Auto, I wanted to take some time to highlight this vehicle. And we have a Rally Red Mitsubishi Lancer 2015. Car's very nice, very clean, no serious damage to report or as seen in pictures. The one thing I really like about this vehicle that I think is a very key selling point is that it's low mileage. 25,000 miles roughly on the odometer, which means this car is still covered under the 75,000 mile manufacturer drivetrain warranty for Mitsubishi. At this pace, you can expect to have another 4 or 5 years left on the warranty if you drive this car out today. The interior is equally as clean. Again, no serious damage. There is no smell in the vehicle. This was not a smoker's car. As you could see, there's no serious wear on the seats, on the interior, on the doors, on the steering wheel, on any of the buttons. You'll be very happy with this car. It is worth coming out and checking out. If you have any other questions, feel free to shoot us a message or phone call. And we also will FaceTime, Google Duo, or Zoom if you want a live virtual tour of the car.